AMBINO 5-inch rechargeable fan from Aldi. 3,600 milliamp hours battery, 3 speeds, timer, and tilting head. Let's unbox and test it. We have here USB power adapter, USB cable A to USB-C, so you can charge it with any phone brick, laptop, or power bank. The fan, and the manual. Power button, low speed, medium and high button, timer button, timer button here, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. Lights tells you which one's set. Perfect for sleeping without draining the 3,600 milliamp hours battery. Power adapter. Charging port. You can tilt up and down. Easy to aim the airflow where you need it. Speed test low, quiet, medium, decent. High 8W5 power actually moves air. Thanks for watching. See you again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey.